costume mo daw ngayon?
Bunny.
Anong bunny?
Na kulay pink.
Ha?
Kulay pink.
Bunny? Anong bunny?
Bunny, ay, ako. Here we go. Me all your eggs.
One more.
Give me all your eggs. I'm gonna try that. Okay? I'm gonna try that.
Yeah.
Sa noon ko.
Baby.
Yeah. At si baby. Give me all your eggs.
Kaya nga siya EB kasi nga Easter Bunny siya eh.
Yeah. Ako ay si Evie.
Ano ba ako?
Little bunny loves to hop through the forest, never stop. Over rocks and through the streams, chasing all the daylight beams. Hop, hop, let's jump so high. Reach the treetops, touch the sky. Bouncing here and bouncing there. Bunnies hopping everywhere. Hop, hop, bunny friends. Boing, boing, boing. Jump so high, the fun never ends. Bounce, bounce. Hop, hop through the trees. Boing, boing, boing. Bouncing along with the buzzing bees. Floppy ears and fluffy tails, hopping over wooden trails. Bouncing fast, we leap and glide on an adventure side by side. Hop, hop, let's jump so high. Reach the treetops, touch the sky. Bouncing here and bouncing there. Bunnies hopping everywhere. Hop, hop, bunny friends. Boing, boing, boing. Jump so high, the fun never ends. Bounce, bounce.
Golden egg.
Pantulito? You win?
Six potatoes and a potatoes more. One potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, four.
Activity for today. And before we start, pasalamatan muna natin yung ating mga sponsors. Tops World, Tronics Imaging Center, and paalala ko lang, meron po tayong photo booth dito.
Ikot na! Eh, kami na! Thank you po! Dito! May egg po kayo? Ayun. Thank you po! May egg po kayo, ma'am?
Rose ice ka lang. Take one.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you po! Thank you! Thank you po! Awa na. Hey! Ano yun? Naka-close? Paano? Galing ah. Yay! Sa Tantan Men. Takoyaki. Sponsor sila. Lumayag sila. Hanapin nga natin, no? Pati dito, wala pa. Sa ano, marami yan. Dito. Paano nakita ang gold?
Siyempre doon nila lalagay yan. Tapos
Kasi?
nakapakawin. Kasi lang yung nag-glitters.
Galing. Sapatos, merong anak eh. Yay!
Let's go.
You know. Thank you po. May natago po dito. Nakuha na lang. Ha? Sige. Gosh! Hoy! Pasok yan. Gossip. Hoy! Pasok yan. Hindi pasok. Wait ka lang. Ay, wait lang. Sige.
Tara.
Huwag nago. Tatago pa lang nila eh. Oo. Okay yan. Tara na.
Let's go, number 58. Ayan, pakalala ka, baby.
My name is Cartanian Santana. I'm 5 years old. I'm from Valenzuela City.
Ayan, palakpakan lang natin si baby number 58. Hi. Oh, jump na si baby number 58. Oh. Hoy, palakpakan niyo naman. Number 58. Pakalan mo, number 59. At si baby number 59. 60. Let's go, baby number 60. 61. Makasiyaw na kayo kay Tom. Enjoy! Yay!
Pag need din po kayo, lapit din po kayo dito para tulungan ninyo yung mga kids na kasama po natin. Okay po ba yun? Natin sa stop dance lang po ito, ha? Kailangan po walang gagalaw, ha? Madali lang naman po, hindi ko po kayo papagurin. Papasawin ko lang po kayo. Alright kids, ready na po ba kayo? Ayan na, wala pong gagalaw. Nice, natin tumatawa. Uy! Natin! Wala ba? Uy, si Mami din umiistap po. Ay, sali ka pala, Mami. Ayan, okay na tayo. Joke! 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 Hit! Oh, ayun, ma! Ikaw ba?
Gagalaw, kuya.
Walang gagalaw, ha? Ate, ano pangalan mo? Ayan na, okay na, ate. Ayan, sumagat na. Ayan. Ay! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ayaw. Okay, DJ, play the music. Ayan, okay. Ayan, play the music. Oh,
Ba't kasi gumalaw?
ayun, kuya, out ka na, kuya.
Gumalaw ka eh.
Kuya.
Kasi napagod
Ayan,
ko
out ka na. Mamaya na lang, kuya. Ha? Next week ka na lang, ha?
Ba't kasi nakabili?
Walang gagalaw, ha?
Mamaya na lang. Ano?
Asan ba po?
Wala eh.
golden eggs yun. 5 golden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, picture muna. Picture. At now, sino naman po yung nakakuha ng pinakamaraming
This is kind of messy.
Kami to daddy.
Ayan.
Yan, sa natin.
Ayan, picture na, picture.
Contest winners. Okay.
How's your Easter?
Good.
What happened?
It was kind of good, but you hate it.
Happy ka ba?
You are not.